Hey, Freddy with CJ Off-Road. Today we're looking at a set of rugged ridge extended quick release mirrors fitting your 2007 to 17 Jeep Wrangler. One of the great things about owning a Jeep is being able to remove the doors. And if you frequently remove the doors and you want to use side mirrors, these quick release extended mirrors are just what you need. These mirrors attach to the windshield frame and feature long adjustable arms and round mirrors for visibility. They're super easy to install when you take the doors off, and they're easy to take off when you put the doors back on. So today we're going to install them on our 2016 Jeep Wrangler. These extended mirrors are super easy to install. Just remove these two T40 Torx bolts on the windshield frame. Remove the quick release from the mirror bracket. Install this bracket onto the windshield frame with the factory hardware. Use a 12mm socket to remove the bolt and washers from the mirror. Place the extended bracket onto the mirror. You're going to be mounting the flat part to the mirror, not the kinked part. Then reinstall the bolt with the washers. And tighten it down. There's 4 mounting holes to choose from on this bracket when you install it. We're going to mount our mirror just like this. Put it into the bracket. Insert the bolt. Adjust it to your liking. And tighten it down. We're not going to be removing our mirrors or doors because these mirrors have lights on them and they're hardwired, but just to show you how quickly and easily these are to install and remove, we're going to show you how to do it. So once they're installed, if you're going to put the doors on and you don't want the mirrors on anymore, just simply take the bolt out and you can either turn them out of the way or completely remove the bolt and remove them. Then if you take your door off and need your mirrors again, just put them back in the bracket, put the bolt back in, and you're good to go. Or if you don't want to remove them, you can just turn them out of the way and lock them in place and drive around like that. Our rugged ridge extended mirrors are installed. They're easy to move out of the way or to take on and off if you take the doors off. Installation should only take about 10 to 15 minutes, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.